What happens when you build positively, but on a mistake? Do you not end up with a bigger mistake? If you take a wrong turn in life, but continue down the very same road, are you not moving now purposefully, but in a bad direction? I think we are living just like that. Actually, I don't think we are living like that. I see we are living like that. And I would like to question, can we not do any better? And also, what that better may come to be. Wikipedia today quite rightly states that the universe is all of space and time, and their contents, including the planets, the stars, the galaxies, and all other forms of matter and energy. That description includes you. We do not often consider ourselves a part of this universe. I cannot imagine why. We question where we came from and who we are. We came from here, and we are this. But we do not feel to be part of all of this space, time, and energy, do we? We consider ourselves to be in this universe, but not a part of it. We are the outcasts. We have divided from it all. Why? This needs investigated with more urgency than we need place any men on Mars. This needs investigated. Our world is one in a universe which is one. This is why rain falls on all and not only on the largest of trees. Because all is one, all need be nourished. Hardly the way we operate. We operate on principles of division. Why have we lost sight of the absolute completion of that from where we came? Why? Why do we war and battle in our never-ending divisions, outwardly between our different names and ideas and traditions and attachments, and inwardly between a self and other, and a past and a future, and always fighting between each other in brutal competition to acquire more than another? Why do we live this way? Why? Is this natural to our lives, or did we make a mistake somewhere? We are not living as one. We are living in fragments. One people acting as one people is an unstoppable force. An energy of unity gets things done. Unity may be a naturally occurring affair, or it may be enforced and controlled. There is no middle ground. The unity within a nation like China is a unity built on a questionable foundation. This is no unity of shared vision and intelligence. This is no unity of cooperation, empathy, and care for each other. This is a unity of you shall follow my way, and you shall be included. If you do not agree and follow my way, you shall be punished and excluded. And is this not how all of our societies are behaving? Is this not all a sign we are terribly divided? We are seeking unity through our governments, our political parties, and our shared alliances. But the unity we seek starts out from a ground which is already traditionally long divided. and so no unity can obviously ever occur. We spend our days and nights attempting to achieve the impossible, caught now in a never-ending dichotomy. We want to be one, but we are living within multiple divisions. Acting as one, humanity could never make a mistake. Humanity is saved. If the wealth of us is measured not on the quantity of wealth of the richest of us, but rather, were it to be measured and judged on the quantity of wealth of the poorest of us, we may see greater and more beneficial global positive action for the poorest of us. It is wonderful indeed that our planet and economical system has grown to afford support to the level of men to the stature of owning hundreds of thousands of millions of dollars. It is not so admirable that it has blinded itself to the fact that around half of us scrape by every day on less than $2, and that a child still dies every 5 seconds on our planet from starvation. This universe indeed may be one song. On planet Earth, the tune played is death metal. We are a divided people living within an indivisible universe. What an odd situation to find ourselves within. There are 195 nations on our planet and some 4,200 religions. Perhaps one of the gods of one of these religions, and some of them still have hundreds of gods, can tell us why humanity has evolved into such a barbarically and monstrously divisive manner of living. If you take something which is one, let's say a planet, it is one, indivisible. But then you say, this is your part and this is my part. And we have now to date completed this divisive activity 195 times. I really do not need to explain further the potential for the conflict we witness daily, do I? Then spiritually, which is what? A recognition and honouring of the life energy without which I would not even be alive? Is this life energy also not a part of that which I am? In the area of our lives, which we have allocated as a nexus of understanding, passion, care, love, and holiness, we have divided ourselves over 4,200 times. Do you see a problem here? The word holy comes from the word whole, non-divided. Easy to see why, when the word universe has its etymological meaning resting within the glorious understanding that this has only ever been one movement. Now explain to me, how can our religions be holy? How can we bring a unity to mankind through more than 4,200 oppositionally arriving directions? Something has gone wrong. Physically, in how we order ourselves, in divisions. Spiritually, with how we have come to seek love and unity through divisions. I do not see that either of these movements has any course to any success. Unity is what we need. Unity will bring to us love, care, respect, and a different kind of society than this one. Unity is natural to our lives. Divisions are traditional, accepted, and educated into us. It is unlikely we will ever come together, for we are so divided. But come together is certainly what we need to do. We have never lived to our full potential. we have never lived as one people. Now turn vision inwardly to what you call your human thinking mind, a network of incessant words and images. This also is a divided place, divided between thinker and thoughts. This is the very root area of all conflicts and wars between us, because this is the home of memory. And memory contains the divisive, oppositional, traditionally educated information which divides our people. This, being the root of all of our psychological and physical problems of division, is what need be understood. Bringing a change to this inward, self-seeking, battling, ambitious, pleasure-driven mind of humanity will bring a change to the actions of humanity in this world. This is a change which is in the hands only of each one of us. No government can bring such a change to your life. No protest, no accepted dogma, no book, no belief, no hard work, no following the words of any other. This change, if you are blessed enough to receive it, comes from awakening vision, from seeing. Our world is divided because we are divided inwardly in our human thinking consciousness. We are different. We are different because we have been educated to be. These differences have come to divide us. In our divisive states, we are now spending all of our time and energies on battling and defending against each other. And inwardly, our life is also often a battlefield. This is the area I must investigate and understand to turn the fortunes of this world around. I must learn the art of being able to view that within me which I do not want to see. I must heal all divisions within my mind to come into possession of an entire mind. It is a unity we need, and this unity must begin within each of us. If we seek unity, but from a broken state inwardly into a million fragments, how can we ever come to unity? Must we not heal first? Must each human being not learn to see the dark, divisive, and limiting nature of inward knowledge for themselves? Will such seeing itself not lead to the very action required to free the brain from its long-standing destructive approach to life of divisive self-interest? We follow the easiest of paths in life. To follow another, this is the easiest of roads. Yet this has been our road most travelled. The view has been seen now by all. The views are instantly recognisable. There is nothing here which remains new on this road of tradition yet to be seen. Another road exists, one barely trod, a road of fascination and delight, a road of harmony and peace, a road where the walker becomes the road itself. All this and more lie beyond the thinking brain, in a realm where thought can never travel.